Eyebrow lamination is a new procedure that focuses on creating a shiny, smooth brow. Some people call it eyebrow perm. So come with me as I get my eyebrow lamination done, and I'm going to get a little tint on the eyebrows. Perfect, I made it on time. Whew, that LA traffic is a hot mess. At Asia Salon, there's their TikTok. Nothing like smelling fresh flowers when you first walk in. So now I'm waiting in this lavish lobby, just waiting for my brow lamination tint to be done. Hopefully I don't have to wait too much longer. And I'm just, really in need for this, and I really deserve this. Just being here, I feel so relaxed. Okay, well, it's time to get pampered. They called my name. This is a long process. It's taking like 3 to 4 hours. Loving my brows, you guys. There's lamination brows with the tint, a slight tint. I got the dark brown and the black. I'm loving it. I got it done from a place in Studio City. I'll put the information down below, but this is not a sponsor video, so I'm not really promoting them. But I highly recommend getting it done if you have brows similar to mine or even thicker. I just love the outcome. This is really great. I mean, I got lucky that I got a slight discount, but it is a bit expensive. I did get my lashes done, but I will be talking about that in a whole separate video and the experience with that, because I had like 0 lashes, so they really made them pop. But if you guys have any questions of what I experienced or anything, please leave it down below. Yes, this did take like 2 hours, almost 3, very long time. A long process. Yes, as I was laying down, I did need to use the bathroom, so you have to make sure you use the bathroom. And I super apologize for not showing very detail of the video. They did not let me shoot the process of it, but I did want to show you guys the before and after. All right, there and there. They claim that it's going to last for 4 to 6 weeks. We'll see about that, and I'll do another video letting you know if it's worth the money. If it does last that long, I will let you know. And again, I will definitely leave the link down below if you want to do it yourself at home kit. Only $19.99 on Amazon, and it's getting really good reviews, so I think that I might try that next time just to save some money, because this was like $100. So yeah, it's coming out the pockets, but I definitely got what I wanted. I wake up and I don't have to really even mess with my eyebrows. I just barely add a little line right here to make it a little longer, and I just look, I just feel good, And I do a lot of swimming, so I feel like being out in the hot summer days, that really, really helps when your lashes is done and they look done throughout the day. So look, yes, that looks great. I'm loving it. Give this video a thumbs up, you guys, and please subscribe to my channel. And if you did try it and experience something very unique, leave the comment down below, please. I would love to hear your story.